Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must match Bitness and sign into the same Microsoft account in both apps. First actionable step, open Excel and go to Data ribbon, then choose Get Data from Power BI or from Analysis Services if applicable. Once done, select the workspace and dataset you want to link. This creates a live connection, so you can use Excel pivots against Power BI models. Make sure to save credentials when prompted to avoid later authentication prompts. Now continue by configuring the live connection in detail. In Excel, choose the specific dataset and confirm it in the navigator. Map the measures and columns into a pivot table layout because Power BI models supply measures, not raw query tables. Once fields are placed, adjust connection properties, set background refresh, command timeout, and whether to enable pivot table refresh on file open. Make sure to test a manual refresh, because this verifies permissions and model calculations behave as expected before distribution. Finish by saving and sharing the workbook. Store it on OneDrive or SharePoint to keep the connection intact and allow co-authors to connect. Then verify scheduled refresh and workspace permissions in the Power BI service so recipients can access the dataset. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by checking your stored credentials, dataset permissions, and any on-premises gateway status. Incorrect credentials or missing permissions are the most common causes. If needed, re-establish the connection from Excel to force a fresh token and metadata update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.